Good morning, first grade. It's Mrs. Worsham here, and I want to introduce you to my new library Padlet. So it looks sort of like, it makes me think of a bulletin board. And you're going to see different little sections here. And we've been talking about exploring and problem solving, being good problem solvers, um, whether it's in school or in at your home, with your brother or sister, with your friends. We want you to try to solve problems on your own. So I want you to look at this first picture, and this probably reminds you of our schema files, and we've talked a lot about how we all have schema files on different things inside our brain. Your brain is amazing. Um, our brains are designed to do hard things. Life has many challenges, school has many challenges. You're amazing and smart, and I see you work through hard things every day. You're problem solvers. Your parents are problem solvers. Teachers are problem solvers. This is something that's going to carry you through life. There's not always going to be somebody there to help you solve a problem. And so we want you to get used to taking that initiative. So below, you're going to find several fun websites. And for the first part, I want you to spend about 20 minutes just exploring these different websites. Some are little videos. I did put IXL in here, so you can log into your IXL if you want. But these are all different types of websites that have problem solving skills. This one, let's see. Let's look at okay, so we've done tanagrams before, and what you can do down here is put your image behind this, and then you're going to figure out how to drag and move these shapes around to fill up this little character that's running. So you're going to have to figure out how to turn this and fill in all these different, this sort of silhouette back here. So like this one, this isn't quite big enough to fill this in. So we're going to have to think about what we could put here and turning the objects and so forth. So you can kind of play with that. There's also some, there's PBS, and you can go in here and do some of the different cyber chase games, which are all problem solving. This one's a little video on solving problems and building resilience with our friends Hunter and Eve. So you've got 20 minutes just to explore through these and think about being a problem solver. When the timer goes off, you're going to go to this next question, and it's a discussion question. I want you to be exploring and think about problem solving. So imagine you are playing tennis and the ball goes over the net. It rolls down to the bottom of a skinny and deep hole. The hole is too deep for your arm to reach down and retrieve the ball. I want you to open up your schema file and think about what you know about tennis balls and how could you use your problem solving skills and what you already know about tennis balls to get your ball back. Okay, so we're going to think about what we studied about pumpkins. We've talked about this recently, and just what we know about balls in general. What could we do to get that back? That you're just going to think about. You can discuss that with your shoulder partner. But what I really want you to discuss is why it's important to be a problem solver. I want you to think about the rule of 3 that I always talk about. If you come up with a problem, you're not going to run and ask somebody for help right away. You're going to first try to problem solve it yourself. Then you have peers around you. You can ask at least 1 to 2 peers before you decide that you need to go get an adult's help. All right, good luck with the assignment and have fun exploring the problem-solving website.